Strawberry legs refer to the appearance of dark spots or pores on the legs that resemble the seeds of a strawberry. This is usually caused by clogged pores, ingrown hairs, or a buildup of dead skin cells. Here are 10 DIY tips to help get rid of strawberry legs. 1. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and cause the appearance of strawberry legs. Use a gentle scrub or a homemade sugar scrub. Mix sugar with olive oil or coconut oil to exfoliate your legs 2 to 3 times a week. DIY tip. Mix 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Massage the mixture onto your legs in a circular motion, then rinse off with warm water. 2. Moisturize after shaving. Shaving can irritate the skin and cause the pores to become more visible. Moisturize your legs immediately after shaving to lock in hydration and prevent dryness. DIY tip. Use coconut oil or shea butter to moisturize your legs after shaving. These natural oils help soothe the skin and keep it smooth. 3. Use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the appearance of strawberry legs caused by ingrown hairs or bacteria. DIY tip. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and gently apply it to the affected areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. 4. Aloe vera gel for soothing. Aloe vera is soothing and can help reduce redness and irritation caused by shaving or exfoliation. It also helps calm inflammation that contributes to strawberry legs. DIY tip. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant to the affected area. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. 5. Baking soda exfoliation. Baking soda can be used as an exfoliant to help unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. This method can help reduce the dark spots of strawberry legs. DIY tip. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water to form a paste. Gently scrub the paste onto your legs in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse with warm water. 6. Lemon and honey scrub. Lemon has natural bleaching properties that can lighten dark spots, while honey is a natural humectant that helps moisturize and soften the skin. DIY tip. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with the juice of half a lemon. Apply the mixture to your legs and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. 7. Witch hazel for ingrown hairs. Witch hazel is an effective natural astringent that can help treat ingrown hairs by reducing inflammation and preventing infection. DIY tip. Dab a small amount of witch hazel onto a cotton ball and apply it to the affected areas. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse off. 8. Oatmeal bath. Oatmeal can soothe irritated skin and reduce redness, making it a great remedy for strawberry legs caused by shaving or waxing. DIY tip. Add 1 to 2 cups of finely ground oatmeal to warm bath water. Soak in the bath for 15 to 20 minutes to help soothe and calm the skin. 9. Use a hydrocortisone cream if needed. If your strawberry legs are due to irritation or inflammation, a hydrocortisone cream can help reduce redness and calm your skin. DIY tip. Apply a thin layer of over-the-counter hydrocortisone cream to the affected areas after shaving or exfoliating. Be sure not to overuse it, as it can dry out your skin. 10. Dry brushing. Dry brushing helps stimulate circulation and exfoliate the skin, promoting smoother legs and reducing the appearance of strawberry legs over time. DIY tip. Use a dry brush with natural bristles to gently brush your legs in upward strokes before showering. This helps to exfoliate the skin and improve blood flow. Bonus tip. If you're prone to ingrown hairs, try shaving in the direction of hair growth and avoid shaving too frequently, as this can lead to irritation. Additionally, consider switching to a sensitive skin razor to prevent further damage to the skin.